Hey friends, welcome back to the Vincent AI. Now, imagine this, being able to create literally any image you want directly on your own computer with no internet required. That's right, you don't need to send anything to Google, Microsoft, or OpenAI. Everything stays on your device. No data sharing, no tracking, and you stay fully in control. Pretty awesome, right? But you might be asking yourself, why would I even need to run an AI generator completely offline? Well, think about it. Maybe you live in an area with unstable internet, or you travel a lot. Maybe you want to work on a plane at 30,000 feet, or maybe you just value privacy. Whatever the reason, today I'll show you exactly how to set this up. So, let's get comfyui installed. This is the main program we'll be using. If you've never seen it before, comfyui is like a visual dashboard for building AI image and video workflows. At first, it looks intimidating. Lots of nodes connected together like a giant spaghetti bowl. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the simplest way to get started so you can be up and running today. Head over to comfy.org, the official website. Scroll down, you'll see that it's completely free and open source. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. Just click download. If you're on Windows, grab the Windows installer. If you're on Mac, grab the Mac installer. This skips over all the manual steps like installing Python or dependencies. Once it's downloaded, drag it into your Applications folder if you're on Mac, or run the installer if you're on Windows. Easy as that. Then, once installation finishes, you'll see a Get Started with Template option. This is the fastest way to dive in. Instead of messing with manual setup or downloading everything by hand, you can pick pre-built templates that already include things like Flux image models, Stable Diffusion, or even text-to-video models. For most people, this is more than enough to get started. If you want advanced control later, you can explore Hugging Face or other model libraries. But for now, stick with the built-ins. It'll save you hours. Next, let's generate our first image. Personally, I recommend starting with the Flux 1 model. When you first load it, comfyui might tell you that some files are missing, like the text encoder, VAE, or diffusion model. Don't worry, that's normal. Just download them when prompted. Heads up, these files can be pretty large, sometimes over 20 gigabytes, so make sure you've got enough space. Once they're downloaded, drop them into the right folder, comfyui, models, diffusion models, and restart the app. Now, try giving it a simple prompt like New York City skyline at night, and hit run. On a PC, it'll usually generate right away. On a Mac, you might run into an error because of Apple's GPU setup, but I'll walk you through the Mac fix too. For Mac, you'll need to grab the Flux model version specifically optimized for M-series chips from Hugging Face. Once you put that into your diffusion models folder, and after that, just click here to switch over to the correct model that we've already loaded. Restart, and boom, it works. Here's the fun part. Try prompts like Mount Fuji glowing under a starry night sky, or the Great Wall of China covered in golden autumn leaves. And watch as it creates high-quality images offline. It won't always get celebrity likenesses right since those aren't really in the training data, but for creative, artistic, or stock style images, it's fantastic. And the best part is, all of these images save directly to your computer in the output folder inside comfyui. No cloud, no external server, just you and your files. You can actually generate 100% uncensored images with this as well. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.